Hola a todos, pues aquí estamos de vuelta en Cisco Studio, el lugar donde vamos a poder aprovechar que tenemos a grandes ponentes durante este evento para conocer un poquito más sobre su perfil, saber quiénes son y también saber nuevas ideas que trae Cisco a este gran evento. Y hoy tengo la suerte de tener aquí conmigo a Shelly Blackburn. Hi Shelly, how are you doing?
Hello, nice to see you.
Nice to meet you. I'm really happy you are here.
Thank you.
I'm really happy that you have a lot of things to discuss here in this space. Do you like my space?
I love your space. This is fantastic.
This is new.
Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, can you tell us a little bit about you?
Sure. So I lead our America's partner organization, our engineering team, our architecture, so all the great products that we sell and come to market with, and our solution team. And I've been with Cisco for almost 19 years.
Wow.
Grew up in Cisco as an engineer and love our partners, love Cisco, and I'm so happy to be here at Cisco Live. It's like
a party.
Yeah, it's a party, more than a party.
And you meet friends.
I have plenty of friends here.
19 years working here, you have a lot of friends here.
Absolutely.
Actually, most of the people that come here to this coach, they say all the time, this is a family.
It is a
and
family.
I really feel it, that you're happy to be here because you have the opportunity to meet friends from all different venues you have been together.
Absolutely, and I would say the family isn't just those inside of Cisco. So what makes Cisco Live so great is that it's a family of our customers, of our partners, and of Cisco, and that's why everybody wants to come to Cisco Live.
And Cisco wants to change or help to transform business, customers' business. So how can a local customer change this business?
Absolutely. We want to change. We want to be at the forefront of helping customers move into this digital transformation. Really what that means, and when you think about it, what customers are really trying to do is they're first trying to build very highly personalized experiences for their customer. When you think about it, and I'm probably a good example of this, I will not go to a bank any longer that does not know about me and about how I like to bank. I will not go to a retail or a shop if they don't have an experience, an omni-channel experience that I can look on my mobile device and I can pick something that fits me. So our customers are really trying to offer their customers a highly personalized experience. They're also, if you think about it, they're trying to differentiate themselves different than anyone else. So they want to bring products to market. They want to bring services to market quickly. And then last, just like everybody else, I would say, Javier, they are trying to improve their workforce to be more innovative. So they're looking for Cisco to help their teams be more collaborative, be more innovative. And so that's what Cisco wants to do to help our partners, our customers as well.
So this is the goal of the companies, and Cisco can help to reach this goal. So how can Cisco provide these solutions for the companies?
Yeah, well, so here's what I love about Cisco. Cisco first takes a very customer-centric view. We recognize that what our customers, where they want to get to. And we know that they have many different domains, things that they're faced with today. For example, multi-cloud. Okay, I want to get to a highly personalized experience, but I've got to decide where I want to put my applications. I want to gain all the access to all the data insights, but I don't know where to gather that. I need to make sure that I have a highly secured infrastructure and network. I want to give my customer or my teams these collaborative tools. So what Cisco has done is taken a look at all of those needs of the customer, and we built our strategy around all of those domains. Whereas other individuals, other people in the market think about product, we think about a secure, intelligent platform for our customers so they can build their digital business.
Wow, interesting. And what are these, imagine we make a list of applications we should invest in to change, transform our business. What should be this list?
So I would say, because I support the partner organization, I would say if you were a partner of mine, here's where I would start. Number one, we have to be able to give our customers a foundation that is, again, based on security throughout. It can no longer be bolted on. It needs to be secure across. The other list is around making sure that we give a life cycle approach to our customers. So I like to do this because if you can imagine a racetrack, where Cisco has been really strong and our partners have been really strong is by helping our customers make a decision to purchase Cisco. But what we've realized is the experience throughout our customer's journey is more critical than ever. So what I'm saying to our partners, what we're teaching our partners, is to be able to build services throughout the style approach, the life approach. And we need to make sure that our partners have offers and services throughout that, almost like pit stops on a racetrack. And that's really critical. And so my list would be, number one, understand the technical foundation that you need to lay for a customer that will answer to the needs of where they want to go with their digital transformation. Number two, give them an approach across this racetrack that has services at every part of our customer's journey.
Amazing, really interesting. So now I'm wondering how receptive is the Latin American audience community to this shift, to these changes, transformation. How do you feel it?
Well, I think they understand that by 2020, customers are going to make a decision based off an experience versus based off of price or based off of product. And so they recognize that. Partners recognize we have to put in a customer experience strategy. Again, an approach throughout the life cycle. But it's hard because when we go from one day selling hardware and software and we move now to a life cycle approach, how do we do it? I think partners are very receptive to doing this, and they've come along on the journey with us. They're still learning, and we're making offers to them to help them throughout their entire journey. The second area that is new to our partners is this technical foundation that I talk about. One of the things that Cisco is doing is we are really opening our APIs so that our partners can layer on top their own intellectual property, their own IP, so that they can differentiate their services like no other. And so for them, this is a new go-to-market approach as well. So they need new skill sets like DevOps, programmability type skill sets, software development. And they're learning how to build those skill sets, and we're helping them again along the journey. So to answer your question, I think they're very receptive, but it's a shift. And they're also watching Cisco make the shift, and they're following our lead in some cases, and some of them are way ahead of us. And so we're excited about this journey with our partners.
Yeah, it's a challenge and exciting times now for this transformation, how the world is transforming. Actually, this is something that I want to talk about with you. Imagine we have a wormhole here.
Okay.
And we enter the wormhole, and we go to 2020.
Oh boy.
What do you think we should be talking about?
In 2020.
Or 2025,
yeah.
Let's say.
So I think, let's start with 2020. Because I think in 2020, again, our customers are going to expect an experience. They're expecting a highly personalized experience. So in 2020, we're going to talk about all the highly personalized experiences that we and our partners have been able to enable, which I think is going to be fantastic. By 2025, listen, the pace of change, you look back 2 decades, personal computers, smartphones, and the internet were taking over, changing and creating industries, and quite honestly, they were disrupting industries. So now you fast forward right now, we have things like blockchain, we have AI, we have machine learning, we have processing speeds like no other that are completely, we have neural networks. We are changing the way the world works. And oh, by the way, this Cisco has completely changed the era of networking to be automated, to be intent, based on context. We are going to see in the future, obviously, a whole new way of doing business, but I can also guarantee you that the customers will be able to make choices based on their experience, and that's what I'm excited about.
Wow, I love it. I love your energy.
Thanks.
Actually, we'll have this Friday here in Cisco a Michio Kaku.
Oh.
That is one of the futurists, most famous futurists.
Oh,
that will
really?
talk. Yeah, he's really important, and he loves talking about how the world is transforming, how it's changing, and this is something that we will see here in Cisco Live. So, what can we expect these days about this shift, this transformation of the world?
Yeah, I think this transformation throughout the world. I mean, you hear the stories everywhere of how we're changing, and to me, that is just connecting all of us, more than we've ever been connected before. And I think here's the other thing is I'm in, right now with my team here in Latin America, and I'm hearing the experiences that they're creating, which are different than the experiences in the US or in Canada. But it's amazing because it's all around individuals, how we're improving the world. Mm-hmm. Just like Cisco is taking a very centered position on how we can make the world better with technology. It's all about humans and connecting humans to make the world better. And I think that's what we're going to continue to hear about is, in the end, technology is great. I love technology. But in the end, this is really about how do we make this world a better place for all of us. And that's what really excites me.
Wow, Shelly, amazing way to finish this conversation. Impressive message. I think technology is not about professional things, but also personal. We connect with technology, and we are changing the world. Actually,
Yes.
Actually, the world is looking like Nikola Tesla dreamed about.
Yes.
So a world connected, everybody connected with the technology, and this is how we are shaping the world. So thank you very much,
Thank you.
Shelly.
Thank you.
Muchas gracias a todos, a toda la audiencia por haber atendido esta gran entrevista. Vamos a seguir conversando con personas que tienen cosas súper interesantes que contarnos, así que no desconectes porque lo que viene ahora va a ser tremendo, te lo aseguro. Hasta ahora.